Okay. So, okay. Now, what I did was, of course, well, added this piece which holds the rocker arms down. It's 2 screws right here, and it's inside the engine. Now, I just put everything back together. I made this video after I put the, got the new lifter in, got these. When I took these out, the push rods, I marked them. Marker 1, 2, 3, a little black permanent marker. And even the rockers. You can see rocker arms. You can see right there 1, 2, 3, 4. You definitely want to do that. You just want everything back, to where it was. Okay, yeah, put that back. And the rocker, this railing under the rocker arm, all that had to come out, but it's simple. These screws up here hold everything in place. But here's a little trick. Before you put these little pieces inside the rocker arms or even drop in the lifters, you want to keep a cup of oil around so you can dip them in there, because you want to pre-lubricate them before you set them in place in the engine, because, and this is the original lifter right here that came out. See how it's, I don't know what the hell was going on right there that caused it to, that was rough. I looked at the cam seemed fine. The cam that come in contact with this lifter, number 6, that seemed fine. I took my phone lighter, flashed it in there, and hopefully that's all right. And hopefully once I get this back together, it'll feel like a brand new car, just because whatever this was, I knew, this, well, just looking at it, I could tell this is some bullshit right here. Yeah, I'm trying to get through before the sun go down. Yeah, still got a couple of hours, maybe 2 at the most. But yeah, the hardest part was, getting everything, out, breaking it down, trying to get everything off this one, Well, like I said, the hardest part was that intake manifold, this pipe, routing, swinging that pipe around, the power steering pump return lines, and yeah, I seen a high pressure line or whatever. There's a couple of lines back there, but I know it's power steering related. But anyway, but you might not have this hard of a problem. Hopefully yours, when you see that screw, it's a screw that's supposed to be right here. When you see that, when you locate it, just pop that out, and it should be able to pull out or whatever, however it's supposed to do. But I wasn't having the kind of luck, so gotta do it the hard way. Yeah, okay, well, okay, I basically made this video just to show you the basics of it. And then, of course, it's everything else I got to put back together or whatever. But I just want you to see. I wish I could have recorded as I was doing it, but as a struggle, I had, both hands. I needed both hands and focus and concentration. And of course, I was trying to find a video, but you could barely. You never find videos on my car. And basically, this is an Oldsmobile, 93 Oldsmobile 88. It got the 3800 engine in it, and you can find that in the same Buicks. If you go to the junkyard and looking for any parts for these engines, of course, you find them in Buick, LeSabres, Bonnevilles, Park Avenues, even Monte Carlos, yeah, Luminous too, yeah. But yeah, but well, I was trying to basically look for a video so I could know what to do. Or, I'm a mechanic, but, I like some other advice or whatever. But, of course, I couldn't find shit on a 3800. Not of course, not my car, but even the 3800, I couldn't find shit on, how to, actual video explaining. Yeah, well, like I said, I wish I could have recorded while I was doing it, but, hey. But, yeah, if you got some time, about a good 5 hours out the day or whatever, I got up early, but I had to make a run to the junkyard and this and that, and all that bullshit. And now I'm going to torque them down at the right specs. Well, torque these. These bolts got to be torqued down at a, yeah, I got to look that up. Well, I got it written down somewhere, but yeah. Yep, and then hook everything else back up. I hope this video been help. But if you got that lifted, that ticking noise, tick, 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 tick. Yeah, that is 9 out of 10. That's your lifters. That could be a lifter, push rod, or rocker arm, or whatever, But 9 times out of 10, it'll probably be a lifter, like what I showed you, Or sometimes this might need tighten up, and that's what I was hoping it was, because people say that sometimes this need to be tightened up. Yeah, I tightened it up, and basically, it went some, you know, tightened, then I broke it, of course. I had to spend time, you know, getting the stud that was broken off in it out, but that was cool because I had a drill with a diamond bit that I used for porting and polishing, and that worked. You know, I was able to cut out a chunk of it. You know, good thing it was a, you know, piece left, you know, a little, a quarter of an inch piece sticking out of the broken stud sticking out of the head, and in the end I was able to put a needle nose vice grips on it and turn it, and by being a bolt used in a part of an engine that's saturated in oil, you know, it was no problem. Came out like woo. Click on grease. But yeah, I hope this video helped you. I got other videos. This Hyper Sport 77. You'll just look me up on you know, YouTube. You'll see me. You'll find me. You know, I got a lot of other video on cars. Just, you know, how to do this or that, do that. A lot of my cars, but I got other cars. I work on friends' cars, other people's cars. So you know, and if it's not on there, you know, I got videos to post, but I just haven't gotten around to it. But okay.